Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we are going to be learning how to cancel your MayBank credit card. To cancel your MayBank credit card, you will need to contact the customer service. So in order to do that, open up a web browser and go to the URL box and type in MayBank2u.com and search. You will then end up in the official website for MayBank. To cancel your credit card, scroll all the way down and click on the Contact Us link at the bottom. Now you will be able to see a contact inquiry form, and on the right hand side corner, you will be provided with a list of contact information. Simply go ahead and make a phone call on the number depending upon your location and then talk to a customer service representative. If you're living within Malaysia, you can call on the first phone number. If you're outside Malaysia, call on to this next number where it says overseas. When you speak to a customer service representative, state that you would like to cancel your credit card. You can also send an email to this email address and request that you'd like to cancel your credit card and send the email to the customer service representative. Make sure that you will need to settle any outstanding balance before canceling your credit card, and that is how you will be able to cancel your MayBank credit card in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.